In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can increase damage here in Sailor Peace, getting the best damage DPS build. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to go ahead and make your way over to any of the teleporters on the map. Specifically, go ahead and make your way to Slime Island. So interact with this, teleport to Slime Island, and once you do get to Slime Island, you need to go ahead and make your way to the middle of this section and interact with the skill tree NPC. Just keep in mind you do have to be level 7,000 and at least have 1,000 gems to buy the skill tree. From here, upgrade your damage, crit chance, and crit damage. Now get some strong accessories from the bosses. It doesn't really necessarily matter which accessories you get. Any one that increases your damage will work, because what we're going to do is we're going to upgrade them a lot. So go ahead and make your way back to Shibuya Station. Head over to this guy over here, the enchanter. Interact with them, and this is where you can enchant your accessories, for example. So put an accessory in here, enchant it, and of course enchant it as much as possible to increase your damage. You could also roll your stats on Sailor Island and aim for damage and crit boost, and get good traits like Celestial by farming bosses. Also make sure that you're choosing a strong race and clan. Monarch is great for farming, Altar is great for combat, Espada is great for sword build, so it really is depending on what you are using. And use artifacts and focus on crit stats and upgrade them once again as much as possible. You can also equip runes like Havoc for damage and Fortune for farming, and use titles like Haki and passives for boost stats. But of course, finally, upgrade Ascension and run Boss Rush for extra bonuses. If you stack all these systems together, you will maximize your damage and be completely set here in this game. If you guys did have any questions though, make sure to ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.